Hello, food lovers. Today, let's talk about something revolutionizing how we grow, cook, and think about food: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a super smart chef's assistant, analyzing data and improving every step of the food journey. From farms to kitchens, AI is changing the game. Picture personalized recipes tailored to your needs. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the future of food. One of the most groundbreaking applications of AI in the food industry is lab-grown meat. You might have heard it called cultured meat or cell-based meat. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, scientists can now grow meat in a lab using animal cells. AI plays a crucial role in this process, monitoring and controlling the environment to ensure the cells grow efficiently and safely.
This technology has the potential to revolutionize meat production, making it more sustainable and ethical. Lab-grown meat requires less land, water, and energy than traditional animal agriculture. It also reduces greenhouse gas emissions and eliminates the need for antibiotics in livestock. While lab-grown meat is still in its early stages, it's rapidly advancing. Several companies are already developing delicious and affordable lab-grown meat products, from juicy burgers to succulent chicken nuggets.
Another mind-blowing innovation in the food world is 3D printing. Yes, you read that right, printing food. 3D food printers use edible ingredients like purees, pastes, and powders to create intricate and customized food designs. AI algorithms control the printing process, ensuring precision and accuracy in every layer.
Imagine printing out personalized pizzas with your favorite toppings, or crafting elaborate chocolate sculptures for special occasions. 3D printed food offers several advantages. It allows for personalized nutrition by adjusting the ingredients and portion sizes to meet individual dietary needs. It can also reduce food waste by printing only the desired amount of food. While 3D printed food is still in its infancy, it holds immense potential to transform our relationship with food, making it more creative, personalized, and sustainable.
Section 4. AI from farm to fork. A revolution in the making. AI is revolutionizing every stage of the food journey, from farm to fork. In agriculture,